Oh, hey guys, good morning. So I just wake up and today I was wake up very late and okay. So first of all, I'm going to have freshen up and I'll take bath and after that I'll go for the study. So yesterday's night so that I was not able to study and I tried but I can't and okay. So whatever it is, so guys, I wake up late today, so there were no tuition in the morning, so that's why. So okay, so now first of all I'm going to freshen up and also guys I did not upload my yesterday's video, so that I will upload and okay, so let's go. So guys, some time ago I had bath and after that I had meal and then I got some rest and now uh, it's 1:30 and I have only 1.5 hour. In this 1.5 hour I want to complete overall task as well as my teaching material. Uh, I want to also complete my teaching. Okay, so after when I today Saturday, so morning classes will shift in the evening, so that's why I did not went to the tuition at morning. And also guys, I did not complete my any of the studies today, and I don't know that at evening there will be it will be done or not. So also one lecture is pending, so yesterday I did not complete it. So okay guys, so first of all I am going to complete my work and then after that I'll go to the tuition. Also guys, I will complete meditation because in the evening when I came back from tuition I will be tired, so that's why I will complete all these things. Okay, so let's go. So guys, I just came back from tuition and now I'm very busy, so that I want to complete my oral task and tomorrow is Sunday, so I'll be busy tomorrow. Also guys, there is so much disturbance. I already told that there are so many guests are there, so I have very disturbance. So whatever it is, so first of all I'm going to complete my task like meditation and so many tasks are there I want to complete. Also guys, yesterday's video I did not complete it, so that also I want to complete and also I did not upload in video, so that also want to complete. And in the I already told that I was awake late and that's why I did not complete anything. Even I did not complete my studies, so that I want to complete at least 1.5 hour. But okay, so I have time. And also guys, yesterday I was very tired. I don't know why I was tired, but when I go for the study at that time I was not able to sit properly. And also guys, today I was slept on the floor, so that's why I was very uh, pain in my body. Like I have no habit for the sleeping on the floor. So okay, so now I'm going for the meditation because I have no time. No, I don't have an extra time. So okay, and also guys, there will be so disturbance. So that's why I want to complete as my task as soon as possible, and even I have to complete my studies. So tomorrow there will be tuition and in the morning. One time I have to go. So okay, so let's go and complete my task. So guys, when I make a blog at that time, my shadow is in front of in at my back. So also when I make video at that time, I choose my background. So that's I did not have idea that in my back there was shadow. So okay, so whatever it is, I am practicing from my speaking and fluency, not any kind of making any videos or any like. Okay, so I have already told that. So okay, now I'm going for my task, so let's go. Yes, when I go for my meditation at that time, I have so much disturbance in my room. So you can see that in my room there were so work is there. You can see he is making a car with bamboo, or we can say some kind of sticks. So okay, so I will uh, do meditation after minutes or after 5 to 10 minutes. So before that I have some work, so I will complete that and after that I will go for it. So okay, so let's go and complete some of vocabulary and so many tasks are there I want to complete. Even I did not upload my yesterday's video, so that's will I will upload in this 15 minutes until this disturbance will decrease. So okay, so let's go. Guys, I just complete my meditation, so now I'm going for meal. So everyone is getting meal, so that's why I'll go for it. So okay, so when I came back from there, I'll complete to after that I'll go for work. When I came back from there, uh, I'll study whatever I have to complete. I will complete. And also, guys, I did not complete my regular task. Yesterday, I did not complete vocabulary. Today also, I did not complete vocabulary, and also did not complete uploading videos. So okay, that I want to complete in just 2 to 3 hours. So I don't know it will be complete or not. So yesterday also I did not complete properly. So okay, so whatever it is, so I'll discuss after the meals. Let's go.